Hello friends, welcome to the Basics of Packaging series. This is part 6 about packaging design principles. Did you know a small change in packaging graphics like shifting a color or removing a pattern can save lakhs of rupees in printing cost without the consumer even noticing? To get the answer, watch the video till end. This series is for students, entry-level professionals, entrepreneurs and experienced professionals. Now you can join the packaging community on WhatsApp. Welcome to part 6 of our course Packaging Design Principles. In this part, we will explore how design transforms packaging from a simple container into a powerful tool for communication, branding and consumer influence. So let's start. Packaging design is a strategic decision, not just artwork. It integrates protection, functionality, branding, emotional appeal, regulations, sustainability and user experience. A well-designed pack doesn't just attract attention, it builds trust, enables operations, reduces waste and drives sales. There are 5 fundamental pillars that guide all successful packaging designs. Number 1, clarity and simplicity. Consumers make decisions in seconds. Your pack must communicate instantly. Number 2, honesty. Packaging must set the correct expectations. Misleading designs reduce trust. Number 3, authenticity. Designs should reflect what makes the brand unique. 4, self-impact. Your design must stand out, not blend in. 5, functionality. The pack should be ergonomic, durable and easy to use throughout its life cycle. This image shows core principles of effective packaging design: simplicity, clarity, branding, target audience, self-impact and functionality. Mastering visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy directs the consumer's eye. Elements like brand name, product name, benefits and claims must be placed with purpose. Font weight, size, color contrast, spacing and visual anchors ensure that consumers notice what matters most in the right order. Refer this image to clear the concepts. Typography in packaging. Typography sets the tone and personality of your brand. Bold fonts create power. Script fonts create elegance. Sans serif fonts offer modern simplicity. But the golden rule is readability. If the consumer can't read it easily, the design has failed, no matter how beautiful it looks. Look at this image. Typography sets the tone and personality of your brand. Readability is very important. Color psychology and branding. Colors are powerful. They create emotion before the product is even picked up. Red color shows energy, excitement, appetite stimulator. Blue color shows trust, reliability and cleanliness. Green color shows natural, sustainable and healthy. Yellow color shows fun, youthful, attention grabbing. Black color shows premium, bold, luxury. Selecting the right palette creates instant recognition and conveys the brand promise. You can also refer this image for the power of colors. Branding through packaging. Packaging is often the first and most frequent touchpoint for a brand. Design elements such as logos, brand colors, patterns, icons, and fonts must be consistent across sizes, SKUs, and markets. Strong branding ensures instant identification even from a distance. Think Cadbury Purple or Coca-Cola Red. Refer this image for branding showing various packaging formats having the same brand and showing design consistency. If you want to know more about keeping your brand color consistent, scan the QR code and watch this video. Emotional storytelling in packaging. Powerful packaging tells a story visually, emotionally, and culturally. It can reflect tradition, innovation, sustainability, or lifestyle aspirations. When packaging builds a feeling, trust, nostalgia, joy, or belonging, it drives loyalty and repeat purchase. In this picture, you can see how tradition, innovation, sustainability, and joy are transformed into packaging design. Designing for target consumers. Packaging design must speak the language of the intended consumer. If you are designing for kids, use bright colors, playful shapes, and characters. If you are designing for youth, use trendy colors and bold graphics. If you are designing for premium customer, use minimalistic design and matte finishes and gold foiling. If you are designing for seniors, remember to use large fonts and easy open features. Designing without understanding your consumer is like speaking without knowing the audience. Here, this picture shows some of the visuals for kids, for youth, for premium, and for seniors. Regulatory and informational design. Beyond creativity, packaging must comply with laws. Design must integrate nutritional charts, legibility requirements, recycling symbols, MRP batch codes expiry, etc., and country-specific mandates. Good design makes these elements look clean, structured, and non-intrusive without compromising aesthetics. You can refer this image. Accessibility and universal design. Inclusive packaging considers users of all ages and abilities. High contrast labels for low vision. Easy grip shapes. Flip-top caps for convenience. Braille on medicine packs. Inclusive design builds trust, increases usability, and expands your market reach. Refer this image to understand inclusive design. Sustainable packaging design. Sustainability in packaging design is not only about materials, it starts with smart visual and graphic decisions. Key considerations include ink optimization, using fewer ink laydowns, lighter coverage, minimal full bleed areas, and eco-friendly inks. Color strategy, reducing the number of spot colors or cylinders plates without compromising self-impact. Minimalistic graphics, clean layouts that avoid overprinting and help reduce ink consumption. Recyclability friendly design, avoiding dark inks, metallic or heavy varnishes that hinders the recyclability of flexible films or paper. Efficient artwork versions, designing SKU families with shared elements to reduce prepress, cylinders or plates and wastage. Sustainable design is about achieving brand impact while lowering ink usage, simplifying decoration and supporting recyclability without affecting consumer appeal. Real world examples of great packaging design. Here are a few iconic examples that demonstrate different design strengths. Coca-Cola contour bottle, instant identity, timeless shape. Apple packaging, minimalism with a premium unboxing experience. Amul butter, consistency and nostalgia maintained over decades. Fruity Tetra Pak, bold typography, bright color blocking, strong recall. You all must remember all these four products. Packaging design, development workflow. Developing a packaging design typically involves understanding marketing and consumer insights, creating design directions and mood boards, developing concepts, prototyping and assessing printability, consumer testing and validation, artwork finalization and adaptation, prepress and production alignment. This ensures the design works both creatively and technically. What makes great packaging design? Great packaging design is a blend of science, psychology, branding and engineering. It must attract, inform, protect and delight. When done well, packaging becomes not just a container but a competitive advantage. Scan the QR code to explore more about action plan to optimize ink consumption and costing. Scan the QR code to explore more about understanding packaging designs and labels in depth. Hope you remember the opening question. And now it's a time to unpack the truth. The answer is yes, even tiny graphic adjustments can significantly reduce printing cost. Removing one cylinder, reducing ink coverage, or avoiding full bleed areas can save lakhs over large runs. The best part, the consumer rarely notices the difference. Smart graphic design is not just creativity, it's cost optimization. That's why packaging designers must understand both aesthetics and production economics. You can contact us for creative and optimized design creations. What's next? In the next module, part 7, we dive into packaging laws and regulations. We will decode mandatory labeling rules, safety norms, global standards, and how to stay compliant. So see you in the next session. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Share and recommend to others who may benefit. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content. Thank you.